Back in action. We're back in the action, boys.
Sorry, do it again. I was zoomed in on the ceiling.
Why'd you do that? Back in action. We're back in the...
Sorry, do it again. I was zoomed in on your feet.
Why?
I just thought that was the main focus of the video.
Okay. Back in action. We're back in
one more time. I was being artistic is all.
On the ceiling?
Yeah.
It's not even nice. It's not finished down here. Back in action. We're back in the action,
One more time.
boys.
My finger is in the lens.
I feel like you're doing this on purpose at this point.
We haven't filmed in a couple days.
Fuck it, man. Back in action. We're back in the action. Now it's come to my attention through a lot of you guys, through social media, Instagram's right there, where a lot of you guys have been like, bro, where's the sneaker masks been? You know what I mean? I need some reasons to cover up my face. Why would you wear a mask, Adam? Let me ask you that question.
Let me paint you a picture real quick.
Yeah.
So you're trying to have relations with your stepmom because she's hot AF.
Yeah.
Not illegal.
No, there's pornos of it.
Exactly right. A lot of them, actually.
True.
But those ones aren't real. In real life, your stepmom's not going to sleep with you.
Beg to differ, mine probably
Dad's probably not gonna like it too much,
fair.
right? If you wear a mask,
Yeah.
she's got no idea.
So, because you put on a mask, your stepmom's just gonna have sex with you.
Of course.
She doesn't care who it is. It's like, who is this mask?
Well, she doesn't care who it is now. Have you seen my father? Have you seen my dad?
It's definitely not my stepson behind this mask.
Of course
so
not,
let me
yeah.
just fuck him anyway.
Exactly right.
Okay. I don't know if I can get behind you on that one. I thought you'd come up with something a little more creative. Is that maybe something that's happened to you in the past? Like,
Not me, but like a friend.
okay, yeah, what was his name?
Taco.
Taco. His name was
Taco Bellante.
Okay, so you're thinking of Taco Beef and Taco Bell.
Well, I want to get into Taco's mom's
Catch me
beef.
on the lie
Is
right
all.
now, bro. So that's a little fucked up. Let me give you my reasoning as to why I want to make a mask and show you guys how to make it today. Let's take you back to last Tuesday. I was sitting on my computer. I had a porn tab open. You know what I mean? I'm watching this porno, right? It's called... I looked at this video, I'm like, bro, that dude looks cool. I was like, what if he was wearing a sneaker mask instead? And I had sneaker mask in my mind because I had another tab open earlier where I was like jacking off some complex thing that I saw earlier.
What video are you watching that gave you such pleasure?
Oh, let me give a quick shout out. My boy Yeezy Busta, he did this like cool little complex video at one point. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And he was wearing a sick mask. And I was like, not only is that mask so dope that people need to learn how to make it, but also it'll probably get you laid. You know what I mean?
Most likely. Absolutely, yeah.
So I jacked off, I looked at the mask a little bit closer, and this is how you make it.
Were you on Complex at one point?
Yeah. Yeah, I was.
For Complex News, I'm Hanuman Welch. After a quick scan on eBay for the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350s, prices vary anywhere from $300 to $900. So it's safe to assume that these are easily some of the most sought after grail items in the footwear game. So, leave it to some schmuck to deep fry his pair in a desperate bid for YouTube views. And yes, I understand that we're giving this mouth-breathing virgin more shine than he deserves, but that's the world we live in. This guy is literally a walking L.
Fuck you, Hannah Montana. God damn, what an asshole. He just tore me up for no reason.
I know.
Yeah, anyway, what can you do? Look at me now, big guy. I'm murking the game, the greatest of all time. Anyway, boys, shout out to Yeezy Busta for the idea for this video. I mean, he never told y'all how to actually make this Yeezy mask, so I thought I'd take it on myself to show you guys how to make that mask right. Is there enough room for the picture? Because I just did that for a picture.
You doing that just ruined the whole thing. Yeah, there was enough room.
There was enough room?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know, because your finger's been on the thing. You know, your dong is out right now. You're just all over the
I've
place.
been windmilling this whole time, actually.
Anyway, that's the mask we're trying to make. He absolutely murdered it in that video, and like it's a very iconic picture, I guess, for Yeezy Busta. We gotta make it with this shoe right here, and of course y'all know the NameBran fans real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. If you guys love these videos or love sneaker mask videos, leave a thumbs up, a comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm always replying back to DMs, but really, what I really want to hear from y'all, what are you laughing at?
You don't reply to DMs. You
Yeah,
make them.
I do.
You make them go through me to talk to you.
I still reply to them.
I've
You
never
really gonna
seen.
throw
I've
me
never
under the
seen you
bus like that?
answering DMs.
Well, there's been some girls that I have replied to.
All right. So if you're a hot girl between the ages of 18 and 35.
Why so high? Anyway, boys, what I really want to know is if you guys want these sneaker mask videos to continue, because I used to do them a lot. And then everyone had to be like, bro, you're running out of ideas. You're always doing sneaker masks. No, they're just dope, and they're going to get you laid. So if you guys want them to continue, have a beer. Have one of your beers.
Oh, guys, Old Milwaukee. And there's actually a hot girl on the front of those, so
What does that mean?
you might
I don't give a shit
get hurt
what's
at
on
the
front
end.
of my beer.
All right, fair enough.
Without further ado, boys, cue the music.
Yeah, no, none of that. No shotgunning down here.
Why? Yeah,
okay,
why?
so guys, if you don't know, my dad hates when we film down here. He hates NameBran in general. Last time we were down here, because I got my parents out of the house, you put peanut butter on his lens, he told me. I even caught you doing it, and you're like, no, I wouldn't do it. And I was like, okay, good. I went upstairs. Apparently you did.
I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
Stop lying.
I didn't
You keep pranking my father and always making up excuses saying, I didn't do it, no.
I didn't do it, but if I did do it, was he mad?
He was really mad.
Sick. Fuck your dad, man. Actually, what a shitty person.
I've told you to confront him many times. You don't ever,
will
though.
do it.
You're just so mean to adults. Like, you're such a menace of a child, even though you're a grown man yourself.
I don't like them. Is there a problem with that? Can you keep filming? Turn it on.
Yeah,
Let's
fine.
Go. Anyway,
Let's do
boys,
this.
this is the shoe we're using today. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I got this a long time ago. I'm not even sure if it's real. I've done legit checks on it, and it seems to like line up or whatever. But Yeezy Busta, if you're watching this video, bust me down below if it's fake. I'm not sure. You do your research.
It's very used at this point.
It is used. I didn't use it though. I just like, I think I bought it like this. I'm not sure if it's real. Yeezy Busta help me out. All y'all help me out. But what we're gonna do with this, as y'all saw by the pictures, we gotta cut this bitch out.
Why is it so wet?
Oh, your mom squirts on Yeezys.
Okay, come on, dude. Stop
Apparently
it.
she loves
Stop
Yeezys
it. That's
so
enough.
Don't
That's
ask me
enough.
stupid questions.
Don't come into my house
I washed it, retard.
and make games and jokes about my parents, okay?
You good? You good? Hey, it's the parents I don't like.
You're on the line.
Hey,
You're on the
I like
line.
you, buddy. Come on. They like it when we like each other, okay? There we go. Boom. Fuck your parents, I love you. Now let's get on to the custom.
Oh, already making a mess. Don't spit. Don't spit.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
You did. Hey, dude, on the project. Okay, come on. Dude, come on. There's drops all over this. This is an expensive project. Do you even know what this is?
Doesn't matter. Anyway, boys, you got a blowtorch, we got a knife. It's time to cut the shoe. And in the picture there, you guys can see we were gonna hot knife this, but I don't really want to because on his face, it's actually got some cool distress look around where it looks like they actually cut it with scissors. So honestly, this is probably the easiest sneaker custom you can ever do. If you guys have fake Yeezys you want to do it with, go for it. But we're just gonna insert cutting all along here, cutting out a square and leaving it, you know, right where those dots are. So that's where the shoelaces are supposed to be. We're gonna cut right around it, all the way around. Making the Yeezy Busta Yeezy mask, dude. So grab your scissors and go to town, boys. Yeah. What?
Dude, you break everything you touch, Brandon.
Sorry, these are really shitty or something.
They're great quality scissors.
What happened?
You're really becoming a thorn in my side.
Like a sexy way or?
The least sexy kind of way.
Okay, cool. Grab your hot knife. That didn't work. I will probably.
You won't. You won't.
Alright boys, so the trick for this is you don't want the knife too red hot because you don't want to melt the shoe. You know what I mean? We still want kind of that distressed look. So heat it up a little bit and just start cutting right down the side. This is working perfect, boys! Hey. Yeah, see, once it started, then you can start cutting. I'm sorry about those scissors, buddy. You should probably take those back.
They're a final sale.
They're a final sale?
Yeah, there's no returns.
Ow!
Watch yourself, buddy. Watch yourself.
Think Yeezy Busta will subscribe to me if he sees this?
I don't know. It's kind of sad, actually. You want him to like you this bad?
Well, I'd like a subscription. Yes, I would like that.
Well, you might
I've
get it.
I've talked to him a few times.
You might get it.
Don't be a negative Nancy. You know what I mean? I don't like that.
I'm a positive Paul, and you know that.
I don't know about that, man. I just asked you if you might, you know, reach out for me.
Fine.
Know?
I might be a realistic Randy then. Okay?
You know, you're trying to be funny right now, but you're
Not.
just putting me down as you start spewing names. You know what I mean?
You're being a real sassy Sandra right now.
Yeah. Okay. You're being a ditzy dumb bitch. How about that? Fuck you. Anyway, boys, we're gonna take it over, heat up the knife again, do the other side, cut it off, square it off. Just tag Yeezy Busta. It'd be really sick to get some notice.
Stop hurting yourself. This is the second time already.
Adam, do you know how many people would probably do this themselves? Do that exact same burn and scream? I didn't do any of that. My reaction was quite fair. So for you to, you know, scold me how you just did.
I'm not even
After
scolding.
injury?
Just don't hurt yourself is all.
Turn off the camera. It's not.
Why'd you want the camera off? Let's keep going.
It's gotta burn.
What's up? Oh,
burned
dude.
myself pretty
Are you
bad.
crying?
No,
I thought you took that really well, but
did
you're actually
take it
being
well.
kind of a bitch about it.
I'm not. God damn! It keeps leaking over there.
No, it's not.
Yeah, there's a leak in your.
Don't act like that's happening.
There
You're
is
crying.
a leak in your roof, Adam.
Just-
It's unfinished.
Dude, if you have a
got
bad burn,
something
let's
sealing-
take. If you have a bad burn, we can stop. We'll take care of it.
I don't know what you're talking about. Alright, what an unprofessional way to end the video. Adam's dad just came home and kicked me out. So, what I'm gonna do, this is how it turned out. I did get to finish it. I just finished it in the car. It turned out kind of dope. Over Adam's face, we're gonna roll the clip. I'm gonna try it on for y'all, and that's how it looks. I'm just rolling it over your face. So that's how it turned out. It didn't turn out as dope as fucking Yeezy Busta's, but you guys let me know how it turns out for you. That's a little sneaker custom. fuck his dad, man. We had a dope little outro that we were gonna do, but I guess we can't do that because we got kicked out of every situation because I'm not even allowed in your house.
Done it at your house.
Fair. Anyway, NameBran fams, real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Let me know down below with that little,
I'm just doing stuff in the background.
Fair. Oh, with that little video clip, how you guys thought it turned out. Share this to Yeezy Busta, so then you'll like fucking like give me attention and shit.
Totally.
Merking it. Now drive me home. Blow.
Okay.